Imagine starting your day already exhausted. Not from lack of rest, but from the invisible weight of decisions waiting to be made. Coffee or tea? Check messages or stay offline? Respond now or later? Before you've left the house, your brain has already processed more choices than the average Roman made in a week. By afternoon, your mental battery is drained. You feel restless, irritable, and oddly detached, not because life is hard, but because it's noisy. This quiet exhaustion has a name: decision fatigue. And it's the reason so many of us end each day feeling mentally empty, even when we've done nothing truly meaningful. The Stoics, philosophers from 2,000 years ago, never faced smartphones, emails, or social media. Yet they understood something we've forgotten. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your judgment of it. Marcus Aurelius. Today, let's uncover how Stoicism, one of the most practical ancient philosophies, offers timeless strategies to simplify your mind, master your choices, and find peace in a chaotic world. Our lives are filled with thousands of small decisions, from what to eat, to what to wear, to how we respond to the constant buzz of notifications. Each of these choices demands a fraction of our mental energy. And over time, those fractions add up. Modern psychology confirms what the Stoics intuitively knew. The more decisions we make, the more our mental clarity declines. By late afternoon, your brain begins to conserve energy by defaulting to what's easy, not what's right. You scroll instead of focus. You react instead of reflect. You choose comfort instead of growth. The Stoics would have seen this as a failure of discipline, not moral failure, but a lack of training the mind. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his journal, "Ask yourself at every moment, is this essential?" When every decision feels urgent, nothing truly is. Decision fatigue isn't about the size of your choices, it's about the clutter around them. Let's step back in time. Our ancestors made only a few critical choices each day: hunt or rest, trust or flee, help or hide. Those decisions were life or death, and evolution shaped our brains to handle them efficiently. Now, we're flooded with endless micro-decisions: which podcast to listen to, what app to open, what brand to buy, what to post, how to respond, who to be. The average person makes over 35,000 decisions a day. No wonder our minds are overwhelmed. We've created a world of abundance, but abundance unchecked becomes chaos. This is the paradox of choice. The more options we have, the less satisfied we become. Because every new option carries the shadow of doubt. Did I choose right? The Stoics saw this trap long before modern consumerism. They called it attachment to externals, the illusion that peace can come from perfect outcomes. But peace, they taught, comes from within, from mastering your perception. Seneca wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." And much of that waste today comes from indecision, from giving equal weight to things that don't deserve it. The Stoics didn't just theorize peace, they practiced it daily. They understood that the mind thrives on order, and order is built through discipline. Here are 3 Stoic-inspired systems to simplify your day and reclaim your energy. 1. Differentiate. What's in your control? Epictetus began every lesson with one question: what is within my control and what is not? When applied to modern life, this is the foundation of mental clarity. You can't control your boss's mood, the weather, or the algorithm, but you can control your preparation, your mindset, and your reaction. Before making any decision, pause and ask, is this within my control? If not, let it go. You'll be amazed how much mental noise disappears. 2. Establish pre-decisions. Seneca and Marcus both practiced structured mornings. They didn't wake up and decide what to do. They followed principles they'd already chosen. That's the power of pre-decision. Modern Stoics can apply this by preparing meals for the week, wearing a simplified wardrobe, scheduling specific times to check messages. Every routine you automate frees energy for choices that matter: love, learning, and purpose. As Marcus put it, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts, not the quantity of your choices. 3. Apply the rule of less. Every week, review your life like a philosopher. Ask, what can I remove that no longer serves me? Unfollow one account that drains you. Cancel one subscription. Say no to one obligation that doesn't align with your values. Simplicity isn't lack, it's precision. It's pruning the unnecessary so your mind can breathe again. The Stoic doesn't chase more, they pursue clarity. So far, we've lightened your daily load. Now, let's face the heavier choices, the ones that keep you up at night. Here are 3 Stoic mindsets for clarity in major decisions. 1. Premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. Before acting, visualize what could go wrong. Not to attract negativity, but to disarm fear. When you imagine possible setbacks, you rob them of surprise. The Stoic saw this not as pessimism, but preparation. He robs present ills of their power who has seen their coming beforehand. Seneca. This exercise rewires anxiety into readiness. 2. Virtue as your compass. When faced with a difficult decision, ask, which option aligns with my values? For Stoics, virtue wasn't abstract. It was the anchor of every action. Wisdom, courage, justice, temperance, the 4 Stoic virtues. When choices are guided by virtue, the outcome matters less, because you've already chosen rightly. This mindset turns moral confusion into clarity. 3. Amor fati, love of fate. Finally, once you've decided, let go. Accept outcomes not with resignation, but with appreciation. Marcus wrote, "A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it." Every result, good or bad, becomes fuel for growth. That is the heart of Stoic acceptance, turning what happens into what helps. When you live with intention, life slows down. The noise fades, and you begin to see clearly what the Stoics meant by freedom, the ability to act without being controlled by impulse or fear. So this week, try this. Automate one small choice. Align one big decision with virtue. Accept one outcome without complaint. That's how peace is built, one deliberate decision at a time. The Stoics didn't seek to escape the world, they learned to navigate it. They understood that peace isn't the absence of choice, but the art of choosing well. And in mastering your choices, you'll find what Marcus Aurelius found, that even in chaos, there is clarity. Even in noise, there is stillness. And within your control, there is peace. The world screams for your attention. Stoicism whispers, focus it. You'll find that peace isn't hidden in monasteries or mountains. It's built through 1,000 small, intentional choices. One calm decision at a time.